Welcome back to the Billionaire Financial Lifestyle Academy, and thank you so much for continuing to come back whenever you see my videos pop up. I do not take it for granted, billionaires in the making. You know, a lot of gurus out there promise you the world. Lambos, mansions, private jets, all overnight. But we're about to dive into something much more real, something much more sustainable. I'm not promising you that you'll become a millionaire overnight, but when I explain how simple this strategy is, I know you'll see the possibilities. Let's unlock the secrets to building real, lasting wealth. Alright, billionaires in the making, let's talk real estate. When I first started my journey, real estate felt like this impossible dream. I mean, you see these giant apartment complexes, these luxurious beachfront properties, and you think, that'll never be me. But here's the thing, you don't need to start at the top. Remember that first $100,000 I made in real estate? It wasn't from some fancy development project, it was a humble duplex, a fixer-upper that I snagged below market value. See, the beauty of real estate is leverage. You're not just using your own money, you're using the bank's money to build your wealth. And the best part? Real estate is a tangible asset. It's not some abstract stock or cryptocurrency, it's a physical property that generates cash flow month after month like clockwork. You collect rent, watch your equity grow, and over time, that snowball effect takes hold. Now, I know what you're thinking. Graham, I don't have a ton of cash lying around for a down payment. And you know what? That's okay. There are so many programs out there for first-time home buyers. FHA loans, Virginia loans, you just need to know where to look. And trust me, the research is worth it. Now, let's talk about side hustles because this is where things get really exciting. You see, a side hustle is more than just making a few extra bucks on the weekend. It's about tapping into your passions, your skills, and turning them into a money-making machine. Now, I get it. You're probably thinking, Graham, I work a 9 to 5, I barely have time to sleep, let alone start a business. But that's the beauty of the internet age. You can literally start a side hustle from your couch with just a laptop and an internet connection. Think about it. What are you good at? What do you enjoy doing? Maybe you're a whiz at graphic design. Maybe you have a knack for writing. Or maybe you love baking delicious cakes. Whatever it is, there's a market for it online. You can freelance on platforms like Upwork and Fiverr, sell your creations on Etsy, or even start your own e-commerce store with Shopify. The possibilities are endless. And the best part? You're in control. You set your own hours, you choose your own projects, and you get to be your own boss. Plus, the income potential is unlimited. Chapter 3. The $1,000,000 Savings Strategy. Invest like a boss. Okay, billionaires in the making. Let's talk about the real secret sauce, smart saving and investing. You see, it doesn't matter if you're making $50,000 a year or $500,000 a year. If you're spending every penny you earn, you'll never reach true financial freedom. First things first, we need to cut out the unnecessary expenses. I'm talking about those daily lattes, those subscription services you never use, those impulse buys that leave your wallet feeling lighter. Trust me, those small expenses add up. Next, we need to automate your savings. Set up a system where a portion of each paycheck goes directly into a high-yield savings account or a money market account. Out of sight, out of mind, and your money starts working for you. Now for the fun part, investing. Remember, billionaires in the making, investing isn't gambling. It's about putting your money to work in assets that have the potential to grow over time. And no, you don't need to be a Wall Street guru to get started. Index funds, ETFs, real estate crowdfunding platforms, there are so many beginner-friendly options out there. The key is to start small, diversify your portfolio, and stay consistent. Thank you for watching and being part of the global billionaire family. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the Billionaire Financial Academy. Together, we can achieve financial freedom. Remember, the journey to $1,000,000 starts with a single step. So what are you waiting for? Let's get started today.